Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be sharing how to make simple and easy pilau without meat. These are all the ingredients that I'll be using. I'll be using tomato paste. You can use tomatoes, onions, salt, garlic, water, and the rice itself, plus pilau masala and the cooking oil. Let's get started. When you finally have your oil ready, you can add in onions. Keep stirring a little bit. When the onions are golden brown, you add your garlic. Keep stirring because garlic usually gets stuck at the bottom. You keep stirring. Then tomato paste. Or in this case, if you have tomatoes, you can use tomatoes. But me, I always use tomato paste. I find it easier. And keep stirring still. As they fry, get ready to add in your pilau masala. There are so many types of pilau masala. For me, I decided to use this type, tropical heat. When you put your pilau masala, you make sure you keep stirring at the bottom, or keep stirring in the saucepan so it does not get stuck at the bottom. And then you will add salt. Add salt according to the amount of rice that you are going to cook. Add salt, then keep stirring still. Everything looks good and it smells so good. The aroma is breathtaking. And then finally, add your water. Water depends on the kind of rice that you are going to cook. In this case, I was putting in 4 cups of water because I was cooking 2 glasses of rice. A lot of people use different measures. That is how I measure it. That is the only way that I know. If I'm cooking 1 cup of rice, then I'm putting 1 cup of water or 2 cups of water. But in this case, I was cooking 2, so I had measured already my 4 glasses of water. That is it. Cover it up, and then we will see how it comes out. You stir a little bit, and then cover it up. And make sure the heat is medium-low. Rice does not need a lot. After almost 18 to 20 minutes, this is how our pilau turned out. If you are like me and you don't want to see these onions, please keep stirring the rice around or turning it around like that. The onions will disappear. It's like magic. And we are going to see how it tastes. Pilau without meat. Very simple. And what is pilau without kachumbari? I had made my kachumbari on the side. If you'd like to see how I make kachumbari, it's very easy and the kachumbari is always very tasty. Please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be very glad to do that. The first taste, and it tastes so good. It came out so well. I wish I could share with all of you. It is so good. If you have enjoyed and liked this video, please give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. I would love to be your friend. Thank you so much for watching. Stick around and I'll see you or talk to you in a new video. Bye family.